Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
All right, let's go on the record in the matter of the City of Wyandotte versus Tracy McKenzie, 232253 and 113887. And appearance, counsel?
Good morning, Your Honor. Christopher Shemke. Chris, appearing on behalf of my client. This time we sent the matter being heard via Zoom.
Thank you. And Ms. McKenzie, I need you to please unmute and state your name for the record.
Tracy McKenzie.
Okay. All right, today's been scheduled for pre-trial in this matter, and in a 2011 matter to set up a payment plan on that matter. And so, counsel, as to the 23 case.
Your Honor, as the 23 case, we were able to work out a plea in which my client is going to tender a no contest plea for lack of recollection.
All right, ma'am, please raise your right hand. You solemnly swear from the testimony that you're about to give this matter the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes.
All right. And you heard the plea that your attorney placed on the record, correct?
Yes.
And as to the count of possession of drug paraphernalia, how do you plead?
Guilty. Or the no contest. Can't hear.
And you understand, you understand, excuse me, you understand your rights, correct?
Yes, I do.
You've gone over those rights with your attorney?
Yes, I am.
And you understand that by entering into a plea, you'll be waiving some of those rights, specifically your trial and appellate rights?
Yes, I do.
You also understand the possibility of what the possible penalty is as a result of your plea, correct?
Yes.
And knowing all that, you still want to continue with your plea?
Yes.
And you don't have any immigration issues, do you?
No.
And has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No.
All right, counsel, any objection to the court reviewing the police report for a factual basis?
No objection.
And then you understand what the no contest plea is, correct?
Yes.
All right, the court has reviewed the report. The court does find the plea is knowing, voluntary, and factually accurate. I'll accept your plea as charged. And we'll schedule this matter for sentencing on.
That's not what you said.
I'm sorry, what?
Said we were going to go ahead and sentence this.
I said that I could ask for immediate sentencing, but it's
Right.
up to the judge if she wants to get some more information
I
about
didn't know
you.
if you had asked it.
And I'm still going to address your
Okay.
bond, but don't interrupt the court, please.
All right, the court's going to schedule this matter for sentencing on November 13th. Ma'am, you had failed to show up previously for sentencing, and I need to get more information regarding what's been going on with you so that I can fashion an appropriate sentence. So I am not going to sentence you today. So we'll send November 13th at 9 a.m. And counsel, as to the 113887 matter, it looks as though your client had failed to appear for a probation violation. It looks as though there's a payment plan that was not complied with. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this for the same date as sentencing.
Judge, and may I address bond?
Yes, bond is currently $5,000, 10% bond, no alcohol or drugs unless prescribed, and defendant may be tethered to treatment through Wayne County Jail upon request.
Yes, Your Honor. My client's been unable to make that bond. She was asking potentially for consideration for reduction of that bond. She's would like to be in treatment. She does have a strong family support system. She indicates she will appear back in court and is thankful for the opportunity to potentially have some probation assistance. Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. Well, Ms. McKenzie, you didn't appear in July of 2017, which, since it was a 2011 matter, tells me that you didn't appear for a while, since it was a 2011 case and you wouldn't have been on probation for 6 years. And then you didn't appear for that violation. And now this court set in place a low monetary bond to ensure your appearance. How can we be guaranteed that you'll be appearing in court? I can't understand you.
When the case was going on, when the case was fresh, I was on heroin and scared to come to court. Since then, I've been clean. I mean, I'm trying to better myself, I guess you could say, but being here, I can't better myself. I can't get into intensive outpatient. I mean, I know you don't want to hear what I can't do, but what I can do, you know? I just,
Okay, so ma'am, you're telling this court that you were addicted to heroin, and so you didn't appear in 2017.
I was afraid.
And, okay, but the case that has you in front of this court now, you had a burnt crack pipe on you.
Right.
So based upon all that, it does not appear as though you would be appearing in court. So basically, for those reasons, the court is going to continue bond and conditions as ordered.
So I would have what, a $500 bond in order to get out.
Yes, but ma'am, you certainly may be tethered to treatment through the Wayne County Jail if you request it from them.
They offered it to me on Friday, and they were supposed to come get me yesterday. They never showed up.
Well,
I was supposed to be tethered to Genesis.
Okay, well, maybe that will happen today. So I'm going to go off the record for a moment so counsel I can confirm with Wayne County Jail how they want to do the PSI if they want probation calling to.